She like the way I drip drop, fresher than a pissed up. Pants all clean, at your door, let you know. Till I chop a bit block, pulling in a zip lock. Sticky in the middle, watch your door, let it show. In the city, I'm the sis God known for the big rock. You know with the missile, watch your door, let you know. Living into a bin hot, baby, drop a pin drop. Shouldn't brought the key if you can't take the smoke.
What's going on, everybody? I'm CJ over here at Limitless Lithium. Don't forget to subscribe to YBass's YouTube channel. Leave a comment down below what you thought. Hit the notification bell so you know every time YBass posts a new video. Also, check out YBass at ybassworld.com for top names in the audio industry.
And before you get it started, tell me who you are and what do you have?
I'm John. I'm from Lakeland, Florida.
Yes, sir.
I got 3 McMahon. I got 2 McMahon and 400 amps. 4 Elite. 1 amplifiers from Phoenix Gold and 2 Resient Sound Team 18s.